Hello everyone, I am Pulkit and in this video we will discuss about chapter number 3rd of class 11th accounts, that is recording of transactions. So there are many topics that are included in this chapter that are present in this chapters. So we will discuss some of the topics in this video and we will discuss remaining topics in another video. So we will discuss some topics in this video. So starting with business transactions. So what is business transaction? A business transaction is an event, is an economic event in which some value or some uh, kind of monetary exchange is happening. For example, I bought uh, I bought an iPad worth rupees 60,000. So this is a perfect example of a transaction. So I bought a iPad. I bought an iPad worth rupees 60,000. So that is a type of transaction. And a thing to be noted, transaction only happens when there are two or more than two parties are there. For example, I bought an iPad. So I bought an iPad. So this means I am buyer. So I had 60,000 rupees for the iPad. I gave 60,000 rupees to, let's suppose, XYZ Enterprises. So if I gave 60,000 to that enterprise, then I got an iPad. That is transaction. So what transaction actually means? So transaction is a monetary transaction is a economic event in which some value in monetary terms or in the term of wealth is happening within two or more than two accounts. That is called a economic event. So our next topic is source document. So what are source documents? Source documents are the original copy or original proof of any business transactions. For example, uh, cash memo, invoice, cash memo, invoice, check or debit or credit note, है ना? So invoice like check and debit or credit note. So uh, what is cash memo? So cash memo is given when you bought something or sold something. Then for the proof of that transaction, the cash memo is given to you. That is called cash memo. If we talk about invoice, you purchase anything from, let's suppose, Amazon, but you bought, let's suppose, a phone from the Amazon. So but you bought on credit basis, there then it is invoice. you have given a invoice by the Amazon. And what are checks? Checks are the proof or a legal paperwork for the payment to the bank. So this is a check, invoice, and cash memo. So remainings are debit note and credit notes. What are debit note and credit notes? Debit notes or credit notes are given for the return or the corrections in the transactions. So this was our source documents. Now our next topic is vouchers. So what are vouchers? Vouchers are the vouchers are the legal evidence of a transaction, and all the source documents are vouchers. So moving to next topic, that is journal. What is journal? Journal is like, we can say journal is also called as book of entry, original book of entry. So what is journal? Journal is a book in which transaction and records are maintained in a chronological order. Chronological orders means in a sequence. For example, I recorded my transaction in the month of March, from 1st March. So the transaction would be start from 1 March. Let's suppose 1 March 2025. Then it will be 2 March 2025, 3 March 2025. If we talk about serial number, let's suppose serial number 3025, 3026. So this is called the chronological order. So chronological order means the sequence should be followed after and after. So we will talk about the remaining topics in next video. Thank you.